Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to generate your virtual NIN number on your MTN line. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your dialer. I'm going to click on here to open up my dialer. The next thing you need to do is to dial *996# and hit on send. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here and then make sure you type number 3. And the next thing you need to do is to click on send. Then it's going to take you right here. Welcome to NIN USSD service. Kindly enter 1, 2, 3 to proceed or 0 to cancel. So what they are trying to say here is two options here. If you are trying to generate your virtual NIN number, you need to make sure you enter 3 right here. So once you enter number 3, click on send, and with that, follow the prompt and enter detailed necessary information required by NIN in order to generate your virtual NIN number. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.